If you're getting the call limit reached, try again later message in Rocket League. Don't worry, this issue is super common and usually easy to fix. It just means the servers are overloaded or temporarily blocking new connection attempts. Let's walk through a few quick things you can do to clear it. Start by closing the game completely, not just backing out to the main menu, but fully shutting down Rocket League and also closing Steam or the Epic Games launcher. Give them a second to fully close in the background, then open everything back up and try again. You'd be surprised how often this alone gets you back online. If the error pops up again, check whether there's an agreement you haven't accepted yet. From the main menu, head into the settings and look for the legal or EULA section. Scroll through that list and accept anything that's still waiting for approval. Once you've accepted everything, restart the game so the changes take effect. If you're still seeing the same error, the problem might not be on your side at all. It could be Rocket League servers dealing with high traffic or temporary downtime. You can check their official status page to see if there's anything going on. If the servers are overloaded, the best fix is simply waiting a bit, usually anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on how busy things are. And if nothing works, even after several attempts and plenty of time has passed, reinstalling the game can help in case one of your files got corrupted. It's rare, but it does happen, and a fresh install can clear those issues instantly. With these steps, you should be able to get past the call limit error and jump back into your matches without any trouble. Let this guide save you time the next time Rocket League throws that message at you.